Do you want to make money just by watching videos online? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'm going to reveal a brand new secret method that allows you to earn cash simply by watching short clips. Best of all, it's completely free. Stay with me until the end, and I'll show you how you can start earning $1.90 for every video you watch, $9.50 for watching 5 videos, and over $19 for watching just 10 videos. Ready to turn your screen time into cash? Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the platform. Overview. Let's begin with the first step. Head over to YouTube and navigate to the Shorts section. Here you can watch short videos to start making money online. We're all familiar with YouTube Shorts and the potential to earn from them. However, today, I'll introduce you to a secret method that can be applied not only to YouTube, but also to Instagram and TikTok, maximizing your earnings across all 3 platforms. For this demonstration, we'll focus on TikTok. If you're in India or another country where TikTok isn't available, don't worry. You can use the same method with YouTube or Instagram. Simply search for a free VPN extension for Chrome on Google, select a link, and add the extension to your Chrome browser. Once your VPN is activated, search for TikTok, and you'll be able to access it even if it's restricted in your country. Step 2. Choosing your platform and niche. Now the second step. After creating and logging into your TikTok account, you'll be on your dashboard. Next, go to the Explore page, where you'll find a variety of video categories. To maximize your earnings, choose a single category, or niche, to focus on, as this increases your chances of making money compared to watching videos from multiple niches. The top 3 niches to consider are personal finance and making money online, meditation or manifestation, and health and fitness, specifically weight loss. You can select any of these 3 niches, but for this demonstration, I'll be focusing on the weight loss niche. Step 3. Setting up ClickBank account. Now, for the third step, head over to clickbank.com and create an account by clicking on Login and then selecting Create an Account. After logging in, make sure to complete your profile. Next, click on the Affiliate Marketplace. ClickBank is a platform for affiliate marketing, offering a variety of digital and physical products that you can promote to earn commissions on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Since we've chosen the weight loss niche for today, navigate to the health and fitness category and select diet and weight loss. This will display numerous physical weight loss products that you can promote on your TikTok account, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels to earn commissions. By focusing on this niche, you can effectively market these products and start earning just as demonstrated. Step 4. Promoting products. For instance, if we decide to promote the product Slim Crystal, each sale will earn us over $116 in commission, which is fantastic. To start promoting this product, simply click on the Promote button, which will generate your affiliate link. Copy this link and paste it into the bio of your TikTok account. Next, create TikTok videos for this product, including a call to action, CTA, urging viewers to click the link in your bio. Post these TikToks on your account, as well as on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. This way, people will see your videos, visit your bio, and click on the product link. Even if only 5 people purchase the product daily through your affiliate link, you will be earning over $500 a day. Step 5. Using viral e-com ads, paid method. Next, I'll show you a free and a paid method for creating product videos. Starting with the paid option, Viral E-com Ads, VAA. VAA is a leading provider of ad services for dropshipping, having crafted over 880,000 video ads for 35,000 clients. The company's owners have generated $40 million in e-commerce sales using their videos, endorsed by dropshipping experts like Scott Hilsa, Sarah Finance, and Sebastian. For this video, VAA ads are ideal for creating impactful product videos. Whether you're an affiliate marketer or into dropshipping, quality video ads are essential. Using subpar content risks failure in these fields and could result in ad bans. VAA ensures success with proven high-conversion ads, supporting your dropshipping and affiliate marketing ventures effectively. VAA's videos use a proven strategy that's helped owners identify successful products and scale stores. To create your TikTok video, start by clicking Video Ads and choosing Video Ad Packages. You'll find 3 options: Meta Split Testing, Meta Ad, and TikTok split testing. VAA updates these packages to reflect current e-commerce trends and strategies for dropshippers and affiliates. Case studies demonstrate the revenue potential. For TikTok, select the TikTok split testing package. Choose from 3 ad variations priced at $12.50 for VIP members or $50 for non-members. Buying 3 packages costs $130, saving $20, while 5 packages cost $200, saving $50, and so forth. Adding text to your TikTok video ads costs an extra $50, enhancing engagement. A male or female voiceover can be included for an additional $50. Ad duration is 15 to 20 seconds, with VIP members receiving delivery within 24 hours. To order, choose the appropriate package. Afterward, you'll receive an email with a link to fill out your product ad submission form detailing your product. Non-VIP members will receive their video ad within 1 to 3 business days, with unlimited revisions available for 7 days. Scrolling down, you'll find a range of ad creatives and their impressive revenue stats for VAA users. Take a look at this example.
Those mesmerizing LED light painting and wondered how it's done? The secret's out. It's the light painting. Unleash your creativity and create stunning visuals in no time. Dive into the world of light painting today. Get all the details by clicking the link below.
VAA's video ads stand out for their quality. They're engaging, entertaining, and highly effective in converting viewers. Becoming a VIP member at Viral Ecom Ads offers substantial benefits. Enjoy 75% off on all video ad packages, get 24-hour delivery and revisions, even on weekends, and receive priority support. Join VIP now by clicking here. Explore the UGC Ads option and Viral Ecom Creators platform to set your own rates per video. Discover past works and track organic views and sales generated with these UGC creatives. Engage directly with creators using their software chat feature, with no limits on creators or UGC content. Step 6. Creating videos yourself. Free method. Now, if you prefer a cost-free method to produce TikTok videos, consider creating them independently. Start by watching several promotional videos, such as those showcasing SEO's products. Reviewing 5 to 10 of these clips can provide insights into effectively presenting your own products on TikTok. Take notes on key points and script your product's presentation accordingly. Next, visit Lumen 5, where you can utilize up to 10,000 voice characters at no charge. Notably, the voice of Adam is among the popular choices available on Lumen 5. Once your voiceover is complete, use the CapCut mobile app for free video editing. Access stock footage and images from Pixabay and Pexels without cost. Following these steps, your video will be ready for posting on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. To maximize impact, aim to create 10 to 15 videos per product, focusing each account on promoting a single item. Consider setting up additional accounts for promoting different products, as this strategy can enhance your TikTok conversion rates. Achieving 5 daily sales through TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram can easily generate over $500 per day. Simply select a niche, choose products to promote from ClickBank within that niche, and you'll be well on your way to exceeding $500 daily earnings. Now that you have the tools to create compelling video ads, which platform and niche will you choose to start monetizing today? Are you leaning towards personal finance, wellness, or perhaps diving into the health and fitness niche? Let us know in the comments below. For more tips on maximizing your profitability through online platforms, don't forget to subscribe to Profitability Plus. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and stay tuned for more strategies to boost your earnings. Thank you for watching.